I was done recording for the day, ready to go spend some time with the family. I'm actually on vacation this week with my family down in Seaside Watercolor Beach community down here in Florida. Amazing. If you ever get a chance to do it, you should definitely do it down here with a couple of families. And I was really basically done and I was wrapping up and I saw this article. I'm like, oh man, this is a good article because this really is the question, in my opinion, that we're all asking ourselves about the overall kind of broad market and what's going on. Is $5,000 Ethereum possible? Okay, so we're gonna dig into this in just a minute, but I wanted to show you real quickly kind of what's going on as of the recording of this video. The overall crypto market's at 1,130,000,000,000, up 3.3%, and Ethereum itself, since that's what we're talking about. By the way, even if you don't own Ethereum, still stick with me because this is relevant. This impacts out every single other altcoin and token that you own. Okay, so stick with me. I promise this is relevant. Okay, give me a few more minutes. Okay, I promise I'll make it really short, very sweet, get you in and get you out. So right here, right now, Ethereum is at $1,800, right, and it's at 4.76%. Now, $5,000 Ethereum, is that possible? I think it's a very, very, very big long shot, and actually, this analyst actually agrees with me. Okay, so here's what's coming on. So there was the host of Data Dash addresses a recent prediction from BitMEX founder Arthur Hayes, forecasting an ETH rally to 5,000 on the back of since successful transition to proof of stake, plus a reversal on monetary tightening from the Federal Reserve. Two factors that I really love to talk about. Okay, so number one, we've got the Federal Reserve is going to be giving us their new decision September 21st on what they're going to do about interest rates. And the lay of the land, what's looking like right now is that it looks like that we may not have as aggressive of a rate hike. We've had two back-to-back 75 basis rate hikes. It looks like we might be getting maybe a 50 basis rate hike or things like that, because the inflation data report that we're expecting, it would seem, per Chairman Powell, who's the chairman of the Fed, per his last comments when in the last meeting, said that it looked like we were in the worst of inflation, that it was getting better. Inflation is the lead story as it relates to crypto, because inflation equals we all have less money to spend and we have less money to put into crypto, put into stocks and things of that nature. Okay, so with that said, right, so if the Federal Reserve does a not as aggressive rate hike, that will help. Okay, that's comes September 21st, right? And we know that Ethereum has the merge happening supposedly September 19th. I'm not necessarily sold on that date. I think that date could move. Okay, but if that merge goes well and everything, we could see Ethereum moving up. But I just don't know. Look, 180-degree turn from the Fed, I don't see that happening. It's going to be an incremental move down, right? They're going to gradually reduce how much of the basis rate hikes are going to do. Okay, so 5,000, it seems like a long shot. I agree in the short term, by September, maybe by the end of the year, maybe first quarter of next year, if all things go well in the overall crypto market, we get Russia and Ukraine war to go away, we get inflation under wraps, meaning in control. That could help. Okay, so I think right this second, I think leading up to the merge, definitely think we could get for Ethereum definitely over into the 2,000 range, maybe 2,000, 2,500. If we get kind of an overall broader market hype scenario playing out, where we get a nice run up in crypto leading up, could be higher than that. I'm just a little bit more kind of conservative. I think 2,000, 2,500 is probably more in line. Maybe 3 at the high is in line with what to be expecting. So just wanted to show that to you. Have a good one. I'm going to go spend some time with the family. See you. Bye.